Today, we're diving into the Technical Editor's Toolkit, essential software and resources that can enhance your efficiency and the quality of your technical writing. Many engineers struggle with writing, but the good news is there are many tools that can make writing so much easier. Hi, my name is Chris, and I've got over 30 years experience. And I've seen it all, from the dark days of Clippy through to modern tools that actually help rather than hinder. I'll show you 4 critical areas where smart tool selection can revolutionize your technical writing process. 1. The grammar and style guardians. First up, let's talk about digital proofreaders. Grammarly and Pro Writing Aid have become incredibly popular, and for good reason. These aren't just spell checkers, they go much deeper, flagging grammar mistakes, punctuation errors, or awkward phrasing, and even suggesting clearer sentences or a more consistent tone. There's an open source alternative if you prefer privacy and control, and that's LanguageTool that you can self-host. It offers robust grammar and style checking. For highly technical writing, you might try Hemingway Editor, good at simplifying complex sentences, or Antidote, which is popular in Europe for advanced grammar checks. So it's important to note that these are assistants, they're not replacements. They're not going to write your technical documents for you because they don't know your style and they don't know your nuances and who your audience is. Always use your own judgment. Number 2, consistency keepers. Style guides and terminology management. So this next category is absolutely critical for organizations and even single persons working on multiple technical documents. Style guides. Think of style guides as the Bible for how your organization writes. It dictates everything from whether you use login or login, to how you format headings, cite sources, or even how you capitalize product names. Examples include the Microsoft Style Guide or the Chicago Manual of Style for more general publishing. But the most powerful one is your own style guide that is specific for your product and for your audience. The benefit is every document that comes out of your organization looks like the same person wrote it. Terminology management. This is about ensuring that everyone uses the exact same word for the exact same concept. For example, is it user interface or UI? Is it a client or a customer? Having a central glossary prevents confusion and avoids forcing your reader from guessing what you mean. For industries like aerospace or defense, consider simplified technical English, the ASD STE, to enforce clarity and ease translation. Number 3, the collaboration command centers. Technical writing is rarely a solo act. You're constantly collaborating with other engineers, product managers, or reviewers. And that's where collaboration tools come in. Shared document platforms like Google Docs or Microsoft 365, Word Online, SharePoint, allow multiple people to work on the same document simultaneously, track changes or leave comments directly. This eliminates version control nightmares. Open source alternatives. Have a look at Nextcloud Office. It's self-hosted and it's often powered by Collabora or OnlyOffice. I always want to say OpenOffice. It's OnlyOffice. So these give you the power of data collaboration, all hosted under your own roof. Or even GitLab. Multiple people can collaborate on a document just like they would with code. Communication platforms for discussing content, sharing updates, or resolving issues. Tools like Microsoft Teams, dare I say it, or Slack can be very useful. They keep conversations about documents and projects centralized and searchable. Open source alternatives, platforms like Mattermost or Zulip provide similar features to Slack. These tools streamline the review process and reduce communication friction. Number 4, content organization and version control. So let's touch on managing your vast library of content that builds over time, content management systems and documentation platforms. In large organizations, you might encounter a CMS like Confluence or Adobe Experience Manager or specialized documentation platforms. Think of a CMS as your centralized library or database for all your technical content. For self-hosted documentation, wikis or simple CMS options, explore tools like Bootstack, DocuWiki, or wiki.js. These are fantastic for organizing information, creating knowledge bases, and facilitating team contributions. Version control. This might sound intimidating, but all it is just keeping track of every change to the document. For true version control of your documentation files, Git is the industry standard. You can self-host GitLab repositories using Gittier or GitLab Community Edition. These tools help you organize, store, and often publish your documents, ensuring that documentation is easy to find, reuse, maintain, and track every version. Building your editor's toolkit isn't about buying the most expensive software. It's about solving your specific pain points and easing your workflow. Don't leave without your Essential Docs Toolkit, free checklist trusted by UK engineers, link below. What's your favourite writing tool that you can't live without as a technical editor? Leave it in the comments below, I'd really love to hear it. And maybe it'll feature next time I do an update on this. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more tips on how to make your documents stand out. See you next time. Bye.